Ever wonder what powers your body to run, think, or even binge watch your favorite show? Carbohydrates. They're your body's main fuel. Carbs are everywhere, from bread to apples, and are one of the 3 key macronutrients, along with proteins and fats. Without carbs, you'd feel tired and sluggish. They power your muscles and your brain. Every move you make, from blinking to sprinting, uses energy from carbs. Some carbs give you quick energy, others provide a slow, steady release. Knowing the difference helps you make smarter food choices. Ready to see how your body turns food into fuel? Let's dive into the science of carbs. Science is even in your lunchbox. Carbohydrates, a fundamental part of our diet and essential for life, are made of just 3 elements. These elements combine in unique ways to create a diverse range of molecules. These 3 elements are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They are the basic building blocks of all carbohydrates, from the simplest sugars to the most complex starches. Their name says it all. It gives a clue to their composition and structure. Carbo for carbon, the backbone of these molecules; hydrate for water, indicating the presence of hydrogen and oxygen atoms in a ratio similar to that of water. The simplest carbs are monosaccharides. These are the single unit sugars. Single sugar units like glucose, a vital source of energy. The main fuel for your cells, powering everything from muscle contractions to brain function. Fructose, found naturally in fruit, and galactose, present in milk, are other simple sugars, each with its own unique sweetness and metabolic pathway. Link 2 monosaccharides together through a chemical bond and you get a disaccharide, a slightly more complex sugar, like sucrose, common table sugar, or lactose, the sugar found in milk. These simple sugars, both monosaccharides and disaccharides, are quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, providing a rapid source of energy. Connect many sugar units, dozens, hundreds, or even thousands, and you get complex carbs, polysaccharides, bigger molecules with different functions, such as energy storage and structural support. All carbs, regardless of their complexity, start with the same basic building blocks: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. But their structure, the way these elements are arranged, dramatically changes how your body digests and uses them. From a single sugar molecule to a complex branching chain, carbs are the primary energy foundation for nearly all life on Earth, fueling everything from the smallest bacteria to the largest animals. Simple chemistry, at its core, powerful results. When we talk about carbohydrates, it's important to understand that not all carbs are created equal. They play a vital role in providing our bodies with the energy we need to function, but the source and type of carbohydrate can significantly impact how we feel and perform throughout the day. There are 2 main types of carbohydrates that you should be aware of: simple and complex. Understanding the difference between these 2 can help you make informed choices about what you eat. Simple carbs, like those found in candy, soda, and many processed foods, are digested very quickly by the body, leading to a rapid spike in blood sugar and giving you a quick burst of energy. But this energy is short-lived, and it's often followed by a significant energy crash. On the other hand, whole foods like fruit and milk not only contain simple carbs, but they also provide essential vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial nutrients. Complex carbs, which are abundantly found in foods like potatoes, beans, and whole grains, are structurally different from simple carbs, as they are made of longer, more intricate chains of sugar molecules. Because of their complex structure, they take longer to digest, resulting in a more gradual and sustained release of energy, without the dreaded crash. Fiber is another special type of complex carbohydrate that your body can't fully digest, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy digestion, regulating blood sugar levels, and helping you feel full and satisfied after eating. For sustained energy and overall well-being, the best approach is to prioritize complex carbs and fiber-rich foods in your diet. Make sure to choose whole grains, a colorful variety of veggies, and legumes regularly. These options will provide you with lasting power and keep you feeling energized throughout the day. While it's best to limit your intake of simple carbs, they are okay to consume in moderation as part of a balanced diet. However, it's important not to rely on them as your primary source of fuel for all-day energy. Remember the old saying, steady wins the race. Ultimately, your food choices are what fuel your body and mind, so choose wisely to support your energy levels and overall health. Ever wondered what happens to that delicious plate of pasta or slice of bread after you eat it? What happens after you eat carbs? The incredible journey begins the moment you take a bite. Digestion starts in your mouth, where enzymes in your saliva begin breaking down complex starches into simpler sugars. This is the first step in unlocking the energy stored within those carbohydrates. The partially digested carbs then travel down to your small intestine, where more enzymes, secreted by your pancreas and small intestine itself, finish the job, meticulously turning those complex carbohydrates into simple sugars like glucose, the body's preferred energy source. This glucose is then absorbed into your bloodstream, ready to be transported throughout your body. This absorption happens through tiny, finger-like projections called villi in your intestine, which greatly increase the surface area for absorption. Your blood, now carrying the precious glucose, delivers it to every single cell in your body, providing the fuel they need to function. But glucose can't just enter cells on its own. Insulin, a crucial hormone produced by your pancreas, acts like a key, binding to receptors on the cell surface and unlocking the door, letting glucose into your cells. Once inside, glucose is broken down further in the mitochondria, the cell's powerhouses, and turned into ATP, the energy currency that powers everything you do, from breathing to running a marathon. And what happens to any extra glucose that isn't immediately needed? It's cleverly stored in your liver and muscles as glycogen, a readily available energy reserve for when you need it later. This entire intricate process happens every single time you eat carbohydrates, constantly fueling your brain, powering your muscles, and supporting countless other vital bodily functions. Carbs are efficiently transformed into pure energy, keeping you ready for action and whatever the day may bring. That's the incredible science working silently behind every step you take, every thought you have, and every beat of your heart. Your body truly is an amazing and efficient energy machine, constantly working to keep you going. Carbs are essential for a healthy, active life. Your brain runs on glucose, and without enough, you'll feel foggy and tired. Muscles need carbs for exercise and recovery. The best carbs come from whole foods, whole grains, beans, veggies, and fruit. These foods give you steady energy, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Carbs aren't the enemy. They're vital for learning, playing, and living well. Choose complex carbs for long-lasting fuel and a healthy body. Next time you eat, remember, you're fueling your awesome machine.